Hello, friends. I think if I am not incorrect, you have been using this WhatsApp since quite long, I suppose. Now, WhatsApp is actually a headache for each and every one of us. We know that. But we cannot work without WhatsApp. Now, I am going to show you some tricks in order to reduce the headache of using WhatsApp. WhatsApp has given us a very interesting features. That feature is known as archive feature. Archive means simply to stack the content which is not useful in real time. Means suppose, for example, this particular entry here, Dr. S.R. Mahtre from RLT College. This person has sent me one message. I am not opening that message because of the privacy policy and all that. I don't want to see this entry right now in this entire list of my WhatsApp profile. So what I shall do, that I shall archive this person. Now to archive this person means simply removing this person or this entry from my routine WhatsApp list which is being shown over here. So what I am doing, first you just have to press the finger over here and select this entry. And after selecting this entry, you have to go on the top right corner here. There are three dots on the top right corner, and just besides that there is one downward direction arrow. This arrow, you have to click this arrow. See, it shows archive chat and just archive it. Now what happened, that Dr. Mhatre's entry is archived, means it is right now not being shown on my routine list here. Okay, but whenever Dr. Mhatre will send me a message, automatically his profile will be popped up within this list at the top, and again I will get the message from Dr. Mhatre and then I will be able to respond to him. So this facility reduces the what I should not say actually, but this facility reduces the rubbish on your WhatsApp list. See, my list is very quite tidy, and I can reduce this list further. Suppose I don't want this person entry to be visible right now because he was already replied. His entries was already replied, and therefore I archive him. Dr. Ghayalkar sir's entry, I just archive him. This entry, I will just archive it. Even you can archive the group as well. I don't want to see this entry, suppose RLT Senior College, archive it. RLT Junior College, archive it. And whenever somebody will send me the message from that one, that particular entry, automatically that entry will be visible. So see how much tidy is this list. Dr. Devabharat Bagui from NCERT director, I don't want to see his entry right now, so I will just remove it. I just remove this one as well. This one as well. See, my entire WhatsApp lists are now empty, and see how much silence I can feel in my mind. I am quite relieved that nothing is there, no activity is popping up. And right now no activity is actually popping up because I am in airplane mode. I wanted to record this video, so I am in airplane mode. And suppose by chance I get some entries here, possibly within this recording span, then automatically that particular entry will pop up here. So it is very simple to archive the entries. Remember, archive means to stack the entries. So in this way you can archive it, and if you want to unarchive these entries, sometimes it may be required that whatever you have archived is to be unarchived, because if you search this entries which I just archived, for example RLT college, it will pop up here, no problem. See, there is one icon here, it shows that the entry is archived. RLT Junior College, it is archived. Jaiswal sir, it is archived. Dr. Mahatre is archived. So all these entries are now archived. So if I want to unarchive this, then again just click on it. Okay, and unarchive chat. Click on this one. So when you will click on this, automatically that entry will be unarchived, so that it will be constantly visible on your WhatsApp list. So in that way you can unarchive whatever you like and archive whatever you like. I unarchive this junior college group. I click on it and hold the finger here, and see this arrow showing up over here says unarchive chat. So I unarchive. Now the two entries are visible on my WhatsApp. So use this technique, remove the rubbish from your WhatsApp entries, and enjoy WhatsApp with at its maximum possible facilities. Now archiving gives you the power that whatever entries that were there in that particular entry which you had archived are still there. See, the entire history is still there. No entry has been removed. The entire history is still there. And what I did just that I just archived this entry. So archiving gives you the power of reducing the headache while using WhatsApp. So thank you very much. Enjoy using WhatsApp. Thank you.